Hello. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Just a quick video that I thought I'd film. It's the day after I performed the spark plug service. Though I did take the car out for a spin yesterday after the service, just didn't really have enough time to really take it on the freeway, kind of go around. So running some few errands today. Oh, sorry about that. That's the 1 minute countdown before the next hour. I haven't figured out how to disable that yet. Well, I wouldn't say I haven't figured it out. I just haven't had the chance to go into the settings and turn it off. Anyways, running some errands today. Thought I'd take the M3 out. Actually going to get my hair cut right now. So I thought it would be a good opportunity to kind of just film a few clips of the test drive after the service, just make sure everything is good. It's running as smooth as it should. Yeah. It honestly feels like it idles a bit better. Throttle response is 100% improved. Over exaggerating a little bit, but it does feel better. Maybe the bias is the fulfilling factor of being able to complete the service yourself and kind of reap and see the gratification from it. Engine's a bit cold still, so I'm not trying to rag on it. Gotta be mindful of the rod bearings, even though they're new. Yeah, the car is definitely running a lot smoother. Acceleration is extremely smooth. No longer needing to kind of mash on the accelerator. Let's see how the downshifts are more crispy. Definitely helped with the downshift blip. No more hesitation, just free, pure, quick revving. I honestly thought it was myself before, just because I haven't owned or driven a manual car in a while, over 5 years. So I thought it was just some adjusting that I needed to do. Turns out it's the car. I don't know if that's a positive or negative. Anyways, I'll pick back up in the video after my haircut. I'm not trying to film the entire drive there and so forth, so I'll be back. Accidentally made a mistake with the audio for the drive back, so you're just gonna try to provide a quick voiceover. So I just finished up my haircut, heading back home. A few errands to address outside of car-related items. I did want to talk about video plans for this upcoming week. Very excited and looking forward to receiving my exhaust tips. So I'll finally be able to install the OEM muffler mod I had purchased. I have been kind of toying with the idea of just installing the muffler without the exhaust tips. So I guess to preface, in preparation for the muffler install, I removed the factory muffler tips since I already had plans to install aftermarket ones. I just didn't expect the delay to be this long, or the shipment time. So currently the muffler has no exhaust tips on it. It just has kind of the factory outlet. Doesn't look too bad. It is a little awkward if I do throw it on a car, but ultimately I've just been impatiently waiting to get it installed just because I want to free the V8. There's really no volume or sound from the exhaust. Aside from the exhaust, there are a few little nitty-gritty items that I would like to address. I'm not sure if I want to film it. Small items like the power steering fluid reservoir, differential fluid, and so forth. So I'll see how that plays out. Number one focus this week is the exhaust. So, whoops, still trying to get more comfortable and familiar with vlogging and kind of talking to the camera. So apologies for the additional clip. I just wanted to say, if you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I look forward to continue to create more content for each and every one of you. Thank you.